students, in this video I am going to tell you how you can make a positive clipper. So for positive clipper, using a simple PN diode, you need a resistance, 1K resistance and a PN diode, and you are going to insert it like this. So remember, this white color is your N and black is your P. So this is being NP direction, and this is your resistance. So now we are going to apply input across these terminals and obtaining the output across these terminals. So what is the purpose of this? Is to clip your positive cycle. So now we have applied the input across this, and we are getting the output across this. So we are applying a sinusoidal signal and we are getting a positive thing being clipped. So now I will be switching towards oscilloscope so that you get a better understanding how signal is being clipped. So this is your input. On channel 1 we are getting the input, so input is your sinusoidal, and on channel 2 your output is being obtained. So here you can see that we are getting positive cycle being clipped. So you can view both the channels simultaneously. So here you can see you are getting, this is your output and this is your input. So both can be viewed simultaneously. For better understanding, we are actually switching oscilloscope. So this is your output and this is your input. Now you can simply convert this positive clipper to negative clipper by reversing the direction of the diode. So I can show you how you are actually doing that. So this is your circuit. So what you are supposed to do now, you change this direction. So instead of NP, now you are looking forward it as PN. So now I have reversed the direction of the diode. Now you can see at the output your negative cycle is being clipped. So this is the another utility of your diode, that it can be used as a clipper. So this is a series clipper. The other one you can use as a parallel clipper, in which what you are supposed to do is you have to change the place of diode. Now here you can see, instead of diode I have placed a resistance, and instead of resistance I have placed a diode. So this can be used as, now this particular diode is being placed in a other direction. So now you are applying a positive cycle here. So this is a negative clipper, and if you change the direction of the diode, this will act as a negative clipper. So in this way, today you have learned how you can make a clipper using PN diode, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me, and I hope you enjoy the learning. Thank you very much.